10 ways for millennials to get rich in 2023. Picture this. You're a millennial living paycheck to paycheck, hoping for the day when you'll be able to afford the life you've always desired. What if we told you that dream could come true? In this video, we unveil the top 10 strategies for millennials to get wealthy in 2023. We're exposing the secrets to creating a fortune and living the life of your dreams, from side hustles to smart investments. But be warned, if you don't act immediately and implement these techniques, those who do will leave you in the dust. Don't allow your financial future to slip through your fingers. Tune in now to learn how to guarantee your financial freedom before it's too late. Cryptocurrency. Hey, do you want to get rich in 2023 by investing in cryptocurrency? It's certainly conceivable, but it's critical to understand that there are risks connected. Bitcoin is a form of digital asset that is traded online, and its value can fluctuate dramatically in a short period of time. Yet if you're ready to take the risk, there are several tactics that could help you profit. The first step is to investigate the various cryptocurrencies available and decide which ones you wish to invest in. Consider the coin's history, current use case, and growth prospects. One strategy is to invest in a mix of coins, including major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as younger ones. This spreads the risk and increases the possibilities for growth. Investing in cryptocurrency has the potential to make people wealthy, but it is critical to invest carefully, conduct thorough research, and remain current on market developments. It can be a difficult ride, but if you stay patient and don't panic, Bitcoin investing can help you earn enormous wealth. E-commerce store. Have you ever dreamed of starting an online store and making millions of dollars? It might seem too good to be true, but it's actually possible if you do it right. First, you need to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a strong demand. This could be anything from pet supplies to fitness equipment to home decor. Do some market research to see what people are searching for and what's currently popular. Next, you'll need to build an e-commerce store. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your store quickly and easily. Make sure your store looks professional and is easy to navigate. Once your store is up and running, you'll need to focus on driving traffic and sales. There are a variety of ways to do this, including paid advertising, social media marketing, and influencer partnerships. As your store grows and becomes more successful, you can start to expand your product offerings and scale your business. The key to earning millions with an e-commerce store is to have a long-term vision and be willing to put in the work. It's not something that'll happen overnight. Digital products. Selling digital things like ebooks, courses, or software can be a profitable method to generate money online. The key to making millions with digital items is to build high-quality things that people will pay for and to effectively sell them. To produce a successful digital product, you must be knowledgeable in a specific industry and be able to deliver value to your clients. You can write ebooks or courses to teach people how to do something or solve a certain problem, or you can write software to assist people with a specific task. Once you've built your digital product, you'll need to properly promote it in order to reach a large audience. Using social media, email marketing, or paid advertising could be examples of this. You can also collaborate with influencers and other brands to market your product. As your digital product grows in popularity and profitability, you can continue to develop new goods and expand your business. Selling digital things can earn you millions of dollars with the appropriate plan and marketing. Online coaching and consulting. Do you have a depth of expertise in a specific topic about which you are passionate? Do you want to turn your skills into a profitable internet business? Take a look at online coaching and consultation. People can now provide their skills and knowledge as a service to others because of the rise of the internet. To become an online coach or consultant, you must first choose a niche in which you are knowledgeable. Once you've discovered your specialty, you can begin creating your brand and reputation on various internet platforms, including social media, forums, blogs, and podcasts. It is critical to establish yourself by offering useful information. You might start charging larger charges for your services as your reputation and network increase. You can provide one-on-one group coaching or consulting, as well as digital items such as ebooks, courses, or webinars. To be successful and earn millions, you must always endeavor to improve your skills and expertise, keep up with current trends, and solicit feedback from your clients. Affiliate marketing. We are sure you've heard of affiliate marketing by now. It's a sort of online marketing in which you earn a commission by recommending the items of others. It's an excellent approach to generating money online without creating your own items. To begin earning millions with affiliate marketing, you must first have a large following on social media, a blog, or a YouTube channel. Discover products that are related to your specialty and market them to your target audience. Your earning potential will increase as your following rises. Some affiliate marketers earn hundreds, if not millions of dollars per year simply by advertising the products of others. You too can become a successful affiliate marketer and earn millions in 2023 with the appropriate plan and devotion to providing high-quality content. Digital marketing company. Are you an expert in online marketing? Do you have any expertise with search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, or any other type of digital marketing? If so, you might be able to leverage your expertise into a profitable digital marketing business. Digital marketing is a fast-expanding industry, and companies of all sizes require experienced guidance to boost their online presence. To launch your own digital marketing firm, you'll need to assemble a team of skilled specialists, establish a strong brand, and provide a variety of services to your clientele. By delivering high-quality results and building a reputation for excellence, you can earn millions through your digital marketing company in 2023. With hard work and dedication, the sky's the limit for your earning potential. Investing in stocks. If you want to get rich in 2023, investing in the stock market can be a great way to do it. You can potentially earn millions of dollars over time by purchasing shares in firms with a great track record of growth and competent management teams. To begin, conduct research and locate undervalued firms with high growth potential. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of industries. Remember to be patient and to keep a long-term perspective. The stock market can be turbulent in the short term, but it has traditionally delivered good long-term returns. Keep a close eye on your investments and examine and adjust your portfolio on a regular basis. You might possibly earn millions by investing in stocks if you're disciplined, do your homework, and have a long-term perspective. Why not give it a shot? Dropshipping. Have you ever fantasized about starting your own business and making millions? Dropshipping could be the solution you're looking for. It's a business concept that enables you to sell things online without having to deal with inventory or shipping. To get started, you'll need to discover a niche and a trusted supplier with high-quality products. Then you may set up an online store and start selling your products to potential clients. The key to success is to deliver an excellent client experience. Therefore, ensure that your website is easy to use and that your customer service is excellent. The nicest thing about dropshipping is that it's a low-risk business model with endless development possibilities. So why not take the plunge and launch your own dropshipping business right now? Start a YouTube channel. Are you a natural entertainer, or do you have a hobby that you want to share with the rest of the world? Establishing a YouTube channel could be the ideal approach for you to make millions. To begin, choose your niche and produce high-quality content that is both informative and interesting. Engage your audience by reacting to comments and building a community around your channel. However, keep in mind that creating a great YouTube channel requires time and commitment. Consistency is essential, so make sure to submit content on a regular basis and keep up with the current trends in your industry. Investing in real estate. Do you want to make a fortune? Invest in a property. Purchasing and selling real estate has always been a successful business, and it will continue to be so in 2023. People are relocating out of big cities and into suburban and rural areas as remote work becomes more popular, generating new opportunities for real estate investors. There's money to be earned in the real estate game, whether you're flipping houses, renting out apartments, or investing in commercial property. Real estate is not a get-rich-quick scam, but if you're ready to put in the effort, do your homework, and take measured risks, it can be a ticket to financial freedom. So there you have it, 10 powerful ways for millennials to get rich in 2023. Whether you choose to start your own online business, invest in stocks, or dive into the world of cryptocurrency, remember that the key to success is persistence, patience, and a willingness to take calculated risks. The future belongs to those who dare to dream big and take action to make their dreams a reality. So what are you waiting for? It's time to turn your financial goals into reality and start building the life of your dreams. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more life-changing content.